How to download Gmail on PC. Hey, everyone wished you could just click on icon and bam, Gmail is right there, not lost in a million of browser tabs. You know what I mean. Well, guess what? You totally can, and it's easier than you think. We're gonna get Gmail onto your desktop almost like it's a regular app. Ready to get started? Awesome. First things first, you need to be using a Google Chrome browser for this to work smoothly. So quickly check if you are in the Chrome right now. Yeah. Great. That was preferably a Chrome. However, you can use other browsers like a Safari, Brave, Edge, and etc. So let's dive into the topic. Now head over to www.gmail.com. Just type into your address and you know where you normally type the website address and just hit it. After you have logged into your Gmail, you will see this type of interface, and as you can see, I am already inside my Gmail. Now what you have to do is you will see a three dots in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. Then scroll down through the options and there you can see an option for apps, and just beside it you will see an option for install this site as an app. Simply tap on it. Then you will be shown an option for install. Simply tap on it. That will start downloading or installing your app. You will see this type of interface or with this type of option. You can see an option for pin to the taskbar, pin to the start, create desktop shortcut, and auto start on the device login. You can just check the boxes which you prefer and tap on allow. So I don't think that with the privacy setting you will be able to see this one, but you can see my Gmail right over here and it's under the app. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded your Gmail on PC. And that's all there is to it. You have officially got Gmail downloaded onto your PC in a super convenient way. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you or if you got stuck anywhere. I'm always here. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.